Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use the peak limiter in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you have, you can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go see how we can get started using our peak limiter for our tracks. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new menu right here, which is the recording menu, where we can get started recording ourselves at the top of the screen and so on. And what we want to do is go right here into edit mode. So in the upper left corner, we can click at edit mode. This is going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have. As you can see, I have my drum kit track that I have made right here, keyboard, audio recorder and so on. Now let's say I want to make a peak limiter for my audio recorder right here. What I'm going to be using is using the equalizer option. So here at the top of the screen, we can find the sliders option. Click on the sliders. That's going to open up your track settings where you can find all the options that you have, such as your track settings, your plugins and equalizer and so on. And what you want to do is open up plugins and equalizer. After opening up plugins and equalizer, now we can go ahead and open up all the options we have. And one of the options is going to be called visual equalizer and effect equalizer. So open up visual equalizer, and this is guys where you can go ahead and find all your peaks and vocals on your track. So you have your equalizer, and what you can do and when playing your song is to find where you have your peaks and you can turn them down to whatever option you want. So this is how you can go and select your max peaks and limit them to whatever you need. Do not go above that using the equalizer option right here. So basically guys, that is how to do it. After saving it, just exit out and it's going to apply it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.